Hi everyone, this is Summer from CJdropshipping, and today this is a tutorial video on how to use our updated custom packaging service. But before we start, you need to make sure that you've authorized your store, connected the products in your store, or added the products to skill list in CJdropshipping. If all set, we shall begin. First, log in your CJ account, go to My CJ, find Custom Packaging at the left-hand navigation bar. Click on it. As you can see, we used to have 3 columns, Design Model, Pre-Design Packaging, and My Custom Packaging. But now they are down to 2, Pre-Design Packaging and My Custom Packaging. Design Model page is used for you to design your own packaging. But how do you conduct your packaging design now? Well, don't worry, we'll get to that just in a minute. Let's start with pre-designed packaging, which includes all packaging we have. Considering some of you might only want to check out one or a few specific kinds of packaging, we've updated this new feature, packaging material, so that you can select whichever material you like and get a glance of all packages we have with that specific material. And as you probably have noticed, for every item title, it starts with MOQ and different numbers. Yep, there is minimum order quantity for our custom packaging. If you hit purchase and you'll see the quantity has been automatically set as is MOQ. Also, the shipping cost might be a bit higher as some of the custom packaging might weight a little bit more. And for some items, you see this little pencil plus ruler icon at the right bottom. Wondering what that's for? Click away and you'll know. So it turns out this is now where you design your packages. So you're able to either upload images or add text on the packages, or even both. Let's try it out. And there you go, hit save. Now this has been saved in our My Custom Packaging page. Let's go double check by clicking View. All looking good, and please know the product is only visible to you and you own the copyright. CJ will neither display the product on the platform nor sell to any other dropshippers. Now that we've got our own custom packaging, but how do we apply these custom packages to products? Let's head to Products section. Go to Connection or Skill List to connect your custom packages with products you want. Please know that the packaging connection in the skill list is for Excel orders or manually created orders, while in connection it's for orders synchronized from your store. So now let's start with connection. Click on it and you'll see all products you've connected from your authorized store to CJ Dropshipping. And on the very right, there is a button which says Action. In the drop-down menu, select Packaging Connection. As for this option, apply to order. If you have multiple this product in your order, and you want one package for them all together, tick this Yes box. If not, No. Please know that one product can be connected with more than one package now, and at most 5 packages, which is perfect for those who want to use, let's say, cloth bags as package for this product, and also want to put a tag, sticker, gift, and card in it. Alright, carry on. Packing type, custom design. Pick the package you want. If you want to add card, gift, or sticker in it, select them and confirm. Connection completed. If there is any change of plan, you can always go to Action, remove the connection by hitting this button. To double check, click View Packing. As for skill list, the whole steps remain the same as connection, action, packing connection, select packages, confirm, and done. To use custom packaging, you need to purchase private inventory to pre-stock this custom packaging in our warehouse. Go to My CJ, find Custom Packaging, and press Purchase. Select Warehouse, but please know that it's highly advised to select the same warehouse for the packages as your products. Hence, it'll save a lot processing time when packing. If your products are POD products, which is print-on-demand products, please choose Jinhua Warehouse. If you have private inventory of your products, please choose the same warehouse with that of your products. If your products are general products, please choose Yiwu or Jinhua one. If your products are of special attributes such as liquid, electronic products, or other special products, please choose Shenzhen warehouse. Well, if you're not sure, you can always go to your agent or speak with our customer service anytime, and the package price will be deducted after they're stocked in our warehouse when you place an order in CJ Dropshipping, which means you don't need to pay for the package again in the order. If there is no more inventory, you'll get a notification when paying for your order. You can either choose to skip the custom packaging or proceed with paying for a custom packaging and wait for it. After you finish the payment, you can see the order status in My CJ purchase list and the details of your custom packaging inventory in My Inventory, Packing Inventory. And that's it. Hope you guys find it helpful. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Take care everyone.